Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video.
Good morning everyone, it's Monday. The day is something. Michael will know what day it is. Anyway, it's Monday. I'm getting ready for a show in Whitby. It's the first big steampunk event in the country this year, and I want to share something with you. So I'll just turn the camera around and I'll tell you all about the personal misfortune dissipation device. Well, this is one of my personal misfortune dissipation devices. I shall read you out what I've written. If you see behind on the floor, it's full of rubbish. I've been tidying up and that's bits of wires, and I really need to sort it out before we move. So, are you ready? The personal misfortune dissipation device. In our everyday lives, we come into contact with persons or persons unknown whom we wish to do us harm. We cannot tell who they are by just looking at them, but we can now. May we introduce to you the personal misfortune dissipation device. The device can either be kept on your desk or worn as you walk along the streets. It's got a little hangy thing you can put on your belt. It's like the BDI watching you. It's got the little switch on it. Right, where was I? Oh yeah. Walk along the street. Operation is simple. Once the device is switched on, the eye flashes to indicate it is in operation. The heart of the machine is inside the front of the device, behind the all-seeing eye. I think I've got the dog's teeth in today. The eye looks out and scans everyone you pass for the look of bad intent. Well, people giving me looks of bad intent, but I'm not sure whether it's bad intent or they just don't like me. It can be a gesture or a movement. Even a thought can be registered. It gets through the thoughts of the people you meet. So that is the personal misfortune dissipation device. I love the red leather. The red leather is super cool. And the eye keeping its eye on you. And as I say, it can be worn from a belt or just sat on a desk. Like that. Okay. See you later. Bye. I'll share something else before you go. Well, before I go and before you go. I've just got these in stock. They're amazing. I wasn't sure when I got them whether I liked them or not. But they are just absolutely weird. They're like little push button lights, and whatever colour the stick is, if you glow that colour on top, you can't really see very well. It's a bit too bright for the camera. But I'm going to take them with me to Whitby, and I think they'll go well because you can put them down the barrel of Nerf guns or in hats. Well, yeah, they're the same colours as the little sticks, but the batteries are all built in. There's no battery in there, you see. Oh, I would think I'm really clever sometimes, and then look in the mirror and realise I'm not actually. Oh, P.S. before we go, it's the 4th. Somebody just told me it's the 4th. It's the 4th of February. Where's the year going?
It's 1:45 on Tuesday. I think it's the 5th of February, I think. I'm come out, I've got a few errands, I've got a little bit of shopping to do. I've got to go to the post office for Ian, but I'm also going to try and get my hair cut. I say try because the last time I came down to get it cut, they were shut. So fingers crossed they'll be open today, because it's been quite a while since I've had it done. I'm starting to look like a hippie. Not that there's anything wrong with that, it's just not my look. He says, backpedaling very quickly. Success has been cut. First time in nearly 8 weeks. So it was definitely due, but it needs washing now. Good morning, it's just after 9 AM on Wednesday, the 6th of February, and today I am travelling 120 miles south down the country for a day job meeting. I'm going to be there around about 10:30, and then meeting will last around about 2 to 3 hours, and then I will be travelling back up country again, and then up and then across country to mum and dad's. Hopefully I'll be there around about the normal time to go take mum or dad shopping. Not sure who this time. So it's now 2 o'clock. Meeting's finished, and seeing as I'm in the area, I'm going to stop in and see my friends at Indigo Blue. So I'm going to nip in, have a quick look, see if they're there, have a chat, and then I can be on my way to go see mum and dad and still have a little bit of time to spare. So it's now just gone 4 o'clock, and I've just left my friends Kay and Alfie. I was there a little bit longer than anticipated because we had lots and lots to catch up on. I haven't seen them since August, so yeah, plenty of catching up and a little bit of gossip. So Kay made some lunch for me, which was lovely. Thank you very much, Kay. So now I'm on my way back up the motorway, back to mum and dad's. I phoned mum to let her know that I'm going to be a little bit late, but she's okay with that because she's not going anywhere. So I should be there around about 5 o'clock. So traffic permitting, that is. It's Thursday, 7th of February. I nearly said April. Completely losing it, I think. And it's 10:42 in the morning. I got back from mum and dad's this morning around about 9:15. Traffic was fairly light, actually. It wasn't bad at all. But I didn't film sitting in traffic because I've done enough of that the last couple of days. So yes, so I had a couple of incidents in the selling of the house. The previous one that fell out or dropped out because he lost his mortgage has now resurfaced with another mortgage, but obviously we're not interested because we've already sold it to somebody else now, so he's kicking up a bit of a stink. Sore loser, obviously. So yeah, so he's caused a little bit of stress, but not too much. Our lawyer, the solicitors, are dealing with it, so we don't have to get involved at all. And I'm trying to edit today the video footage that I've done for creating the little mini journal. Let me just grab it. So I created a pocket A6 sized steampunky themed journal using some papers by a Hungarian company called Stamperia, which I've never really come across before, but I like some of their papers and they're fairly inexpensive. If you want more information, have a look at the video that's already up it's gone live on Thursday tonight, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I also have to pop out to the printers to pick up some more stencil insert sheets because I've run out. I've got a couple of website orders that I want to get out today, so I need to go straight after lunch to Wetherby to pick those up from the printers there. But apart from that, pretty uneventful morning.
And where do you think you're going?
I is going to the printers. Not that it's any of your business, madam.
Ooh. But even better, we've got squirrels again.
They run away.
No, they're on the...
Oh, there's one on the fence there.
One on the fence.
Oh, two on the fence.
Two on the fence? Yeah, the squirrels are back again. They're having muesli for lunch. There was 4 of them, but they've had a bit of a disagreement.
All right.
Bless them.
Right, that's that jobbed. Now to drive all the way back home again. Seem to have spent all week in the car this week. More than usual. I'm looking forward to a weekend of not having the car at all. Ian's away this weekend. First show, his first steampunk show of the year starts on Saturday, so he's going Saturday morning, obviously taking the car with him. So I'm going to have a weekend of no car at all, which means not going out. So just me, Mr. Bentley, cuddles, TV, walks, and plenty of art. It's just gone 9 AM on Friday the 8th of February, and I've just got back from my local medical centre. It was time for my 5-year annual checkup, if you know what I mean. Every 5 years they get you to come in and they check your blood pressure, your heart rate, they take blood samples and check for cholesterol and all that kind of stuff. And to assess the risk of heart attack and all that kind of thing. So currently I'm on the low scale, and the only thing wrong is that I'm overweight, which is nothing new, kind of knew that, and eating too much and not doing enough exercise. So the usual stuff, but nothing to worry about. Obviously the results of the blood test, the bloods that they took, I won't find out, like cholesterol levels, lipid levels, or whatever they call them, until Wednesday, Thursday next week. So I've got to wait, but hey ho. Ian waited before taking Mr. Bentley out for his WALK until I got back, because we knew it wasn't going to be long. So he's just gone out now, so I'm just sitting down and just having my breakfast. It's 6:30 Saturday morning the 9th. Ian's getting ready to go. So yes, I'm giving him a hand to load the car with all his boxes. It's an evil morning. Windy, cold and wet. I don't envy him this journey this morning. So it's about 2 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. The rain stopped, the winds dropped a little bit, so Mr. Bentley was looking forlornly out of the window, so I thought I'd take a break from what I was doing and bring him for a walk. So we're going on a bit of an extended walk today, because I don't want to bring him back out again at 4 o'clock. So, long walk, hopefully he'll be tired and go back to sleep and won't want to come out again later. I've already done my art journal page project for tonight, so that's being filmed and edited and is rendering while I'm walking him now. So when I get back I'll get that uploaded, which means all I'll have to do for the rest of the day is to get dinner ready for when Ian comes home from Whitby this evening and put my feet up and watch some TV or a movie. I've got Venom on Blu-ray, so I think that's going to be my viewing for this afternoon. Come on, kiddo. He's making the most of it. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.